super bright. It's really nice actually this morning, guys. I wanted to make this vlog real quick because this is going to be my last vlog for the year, guys. I haven't been feeling well for the past few days, so I haven't vlogged, and I actually have to go shopping, so I'm gonna vlog that for you guys. But it is gonna be my last vlog for the year, so I did want to tell everybody. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, as well as I wish you guys a Happy New Year with everything you're gonna be doing. Hope you're successful, and thank you guys so much for being subscribers this year on my channel. Everyone who's watched my vlogs, thank you so much. I'm so happy I was able to do so much. Actually, I've never vlogged much on my channel, but I'm definitely gonna start making it a thing. I liked it, so I'm gonna be vlogging some days for you guys when I do end up going out. So guys, our final vlog for today is gonna be me going grocery shopping, really, and looking for goodies after Christmas sales. So let's get on with it, guys. So guys, it is super early, day after Christmas. I'm actually going shopping for some stuff because I didn't go shopping all week. But okay. So I know I didn't vlog for the past 2 days here or make any videos, guys, because I wasn't feeling well, so I couldn't edit. But I am out today, going to Target, and there's nobody out on the street, which I love. Thank you. So hopefully there's almost nobody out at the store as well. And it's not a lot of cars in the parking lot. So let's go in. Yes, there's like nobody in here. Good morning. Got a cart. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Look how empty the store is. It's literally us and the workers right now. How awesome. Good morning. So our Target is already having like 70% off, and there's so much stuff that is cleared out on the shelves. Let me show you guys. If you go back here on the makeup L shelf, bunch of empty spaces. See? It's because they've been bought already. They're like half the price or cheaper, 70%, 50 to 70% off. So if your Target is having sales, or you should definitely go check your Target. Like literally everybody has like a yellow sticker. Yellow tags, everywhere. So let's see, guys. So guys, Cantu kit was $9.99. Let's see. This is what I actually want. Products. Look at this, Michelle. There's like a comb in here and everything. There's moisturizing milk, aloe vera deep conditioning. Yeah, I want to know how much this is. Let's go check these guys out. Oh, Cantu for men. Look at this kid starter kit. Who wants this? And this hydrating kit. This is so cute. And there's a $10 coupon inside. Yeah, I'm gonna go figure out how much these guys are. And this is winter hair care. Your Target, but this is my Target. They're already like cleaning out all the Christmas stuff. They've done such a good job at it. There's pretty much nothing left. Like they clean out, like boom. They have like storage bins left, but that's pretty much it. This is it. There's a few holiday things, some scraps left, but that's really it. Oh, they have a 70% wall back here too, so let's check it out. What is this? That's the little frog. Grab this Pikachu real quick.
It is our 25th anniversary.
That's cool. How much are they?
I don't see a price on it. We'll have to go scan it and see.
This guy is different. Guys, we're gonna go see what they have in the tech section at Target because I found some bomb hair and skincare stuff. I love it. So let's see if they have some fun sales for me in that section as well. Ooh, Apple phone case. No, I don't need that. Let's see. That's the same sales they had. Ah, there's like no SanDisk left. Who just gave all their money at Target because they had too many good sales, and now I ended up with this scarf, my cart, And guys, it is only actually hair and skincare. There's like no food in this cart actually. You gotta go to Whole Food and Walmart for food. Yeah. So guys, we're finally made it to Whole Food. Finally actually gonna get some food. How do you guys like my wool dress sweater? But yeah, there's finally some people out. They're coming out. So hopefully there's not that many until we finish shopping. But Whole Food shopping. I bought this scale like forever ago. I'm actually gonna set it up for me to start working out with it. I want these ones, but not this color. I think I'm gonna pick these guys. I like this combination. What do you guys think of this? Right? So guys, I'm finally at Walmart looking for some yarn, and I found some like pretty cool colors. I think these would be really nice. I know they're more of a fall color, but these I feel like they'd come out pretty nice color-wise in my hair. So I'm gonna get these two guys and get some braids going, okay? So how many of you guys drink these? I get $1 off by Boda all the time. I got these and I got my peppers. So I'm almost done shopping. I feel so horrible today. So that's it guys. We are almost done shopping and I can go home. So guys, I'm trying not to film people's stuff here, but Walmart was crazy disappointing. There was literally nothing there and it was only 50% off. But I just got food and I'm gonna go home. So hey, let's go guys. At least the sun is up. Look how gorgeously sunny it is, guys. We're out. Blood bank is always here like every weekend, I swear. So have you ever thought about like these are like vampires collecting blood? Because they're here every weekend, like every weekend they're here looking for blood.